Hi, this is Addison from Addison's Hobby Corner. Today I went to the beach. I wanted to see the waves after the Meteotsunami in Naples. Meteotsunamis are caused by weather events. It started with a strong storm and change in air pressure. A squall line. The squall line was narrow band of strong storms and high winds that was ahead of a cold front we were expecting. We actually had an F2 tornado in Tampa area. During the Meteotsunami, the waves reached 7 feet high, 6 feet higher than normal. As you can see, the waves are still crashing in pretty strong. The wind is blowing so hard it's pushing me around. Wow, really far. So, as we go along, here we go towards, you can see it's crashing in. There's lots of seaweed. An F2 tornado, it's a lot in Florida. For what a day, I think this is awesome weather. The sand's moving around a lot. I think it's awesome weather. So, this is a lot of wind. As we go down, you'll see the waves are crashing in. The waves are crashing in pretty high. So, yeah. As you can see, pretty windy. Whoa! It's a lot of wind. A lot of wind. So, it's a lot of wind. Pretty windy. Sand's moving like a sand desert. Crazy, huh? Well, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.